Assalamualaikum. I am Mohammed Chaudhry Islam Nayon. Today I will discuss about chemistry chemical bond. This lesson for class 19 students, science group. So my dear students, welcome to my lesson. I am Mohammed Chaudhry Islam Nayon, teacher, Cambridge School and College, and ex-lecturer, Uttar Residential College. And today I will discuss chapter 5, chemical bond. Look at the picture and think about it. What you are watching in your screen. Do you know the name of the material? Yes, this is water, and its chemical formula is H2O. Observe the next picture. What you are seeing there? Yes, the two men inhaling the oxygen from the oxygen cylinder. So the chemical formula of oxygen is O2. My dear students, do you know the element of water? Yes, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen bonded to each other and produce water. Dear student, do you know the name of the bond? Yes, and look at the picture and think about it. There are an oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. On oxygen atoms and two hydrogen atoms share two pairs of electrons and produces a bond. On the other hand, two hydrogen atoms produce another bond. So my dear students, do you know the name of the bond? Yes, this is covalent bond, and our today's topic is covalent bond. After the lesson, you will be able to explain the covalent bond and identifying the covalent compound. Look at the electronic configurations. First of all, hydrogen. It has 1 electrons and its electronic configuration 1s1. Second element is carbon. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, and 4 electron at outmost principal energy level. And another element is oxygen. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, and 6 electron at outmost principal energy level. My dear students, think about it. Without the absence of donating agent, how these atoms gain the electronic configuration like nearest inert gases and follows the duet and octet rules? The absence of the donating agent, these atoms must to release the outmost principal energy levels electron. That is completely impossible. If they want to get the electronic configuration like nearest inert gases, they must to share electrons. So how the hydrogen molecule is formed here? This is hydrogen atom and it has only 1 electron, and another hydrogen atom has only 1 electrons. To get the electronic configuration like helium, both of hydrogen atom need 1 electron. But both of them are unable to donate that electrons. So how they will form the electronic configuration? How they will get the electronic configuration like helium? Yes, both of them have to share that electrons. For this reason, both of the atom share that 1 electron and formate a pair of electron and convert it to hydrogen molecule. Hence, there is a covalent bond sharing electron about most principal energy level. Hydrogen molecule is a covalent compound. Look at the oxygen molecule. It's the oxygen atom and it's another oxygen atom. Both of atoms has 8 electrons and only 6 electrons at outmost principal energy level. To get the electronic configuration like neon, both of the atoms need 2 electrons, but they are completely unable to donate 2 electrons. So how it is possible to get the electronic configuration like neon? To follow the octet rules? Yes. For this reason, both of the oxygen shares 2 electrons and produces 2 oxygen-oxygen covalent bond. My dear students, this 4 electron belongs to both of the atoms and both atoms converted to the nearest united gases like neon and follows the octet rules. So that's why 2 oxygen atoms produces 2 oxygen-oxygen covalent bond and converted to oxygen molecule. Hence there is a covalent bond. Oxygen molecule is a covalent compound. Formation of nitrogen molecule. There are 6 electrons. There are 7 electrons. Both of the nitrogen atoms want to get the electronic configuration like nearest inert gases. So if they want to get the electronic configuration like helium, both of the nitrogen atoms have to donate these 5 electrons. That is completely impossible for the atoms. So how they gain the electronic configuration like neon? If they want to get the electronic configuration like neon, both of the nitrogen atoms have to share 3 electrons. For this reason, both of the nitrogen atom comes to close and share these 3 electrons and convert it 3 nitrogen covalent bonds and produce 3 pairs of electrons and convert it to nitrogen molecule. Hence there is 3 nitrogen covalent bonds. Nitrogen molecule is a covalent compound. H2O molecule. Central atom of water is oxygen and its electronic configuration 1:2:2:4. It has 6 electrons at outmost principal energy level. To follow the octet rules, oxygen needs another 2 electrons. The electronic configuration of the excited state of the oxygen is 1:2:2:2, 2px2, 2py1, and 2pz1. There are 6 electrons. These 2 pairs of electrons are lone pair electrons. These electrons are not participating the bonding process, and this bonding electron can participate the bonding process. This is oxygen atom, and it has 6 electrons at utmost principal energy level. This pairs of electron is non-pair, and this pair is non-pairs. This is bonding electron, and this is bonding electron. Hydrogen, it has 1 electrons. If it wants to get the electronic configuration like helium, it needs another 1 electron. That's why 2 hydrogen atom needs 2 electrons to get the electronic configuration like nearest inert gases like helium, and a oxygen atom needs 2 electrons to get the electronic configuration like neon and follow the octet rules. For this region, 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atom comes too close to each other and produces 2 oxygen hydrogen covalent bond. This 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atom produces H2O. Wow, nice. This is water. Dear students, let's see the bonding process between hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen is a non-metal. Its electronic configuration on S1. Chlorine is another non-metal. Its electronic configuration 1:2, 2:2, 2p6, 3:2, 3p5. Hydrogen has only 1 electrons, and chlorine has 7 electrons at outmost principal energy level. This is hydrogen atom, and this is chlorine atom. To get the electronic configuration like helium, hydrogen needs 1 electrons. And to get the electronic configuration like argon, chlorine needs 1 electrons. But both of the atom unable to release electron. So how they can gain the electronic configuration like the nearest gases? For this purpose, these 2 atoms comes to each other and they are sharing electrons and electrons at utmost principal energy level and produces a hydrogen or chlorine covalent bond and formed hydrochloric acid. This is hydrochloric acid. My dear students, I think you are clear about the covalent bond now. So let's check how much you have understood the lesson. This is for evaluation. First question, what is covalent bond? And second question, describe the bonding process between nitrogen and hydrogen. So the answer is the first question is to get the electronic configuration like nearest inert gases, the nonmetals shares the outmost principal energy levels electrons and produces a bond. And this bond is called covalent bond. And second question, describe the bonding process between nitrogen. If we show the electronic configuration of nitrogen and hydrogen, I think you will be able to describe the bonding process between nitrogen and hydrogen. Homeworks. A is the element. It belongs to period 2 and groups 14 in a periodic table. Explain the bonding formation process of A with hydrogen. My dear students, you have to know, you have to identify the A elements. It is belongs to 2, period 2 and group 14. First of all, you have to identify the A elements and then you will go to the bonding formation process with hydrogen of A. I think you will be able to write the answer properly. Thanks.